We're in the heart of Boston's Back Bay today, a place where timeless architecture meets modern living. Welcome to another project completed by our team. I'm Paulina and we're a Boston team. Our passion is creating harmony through European cabinetry design. For kitchens, closets, bathrooms, and every space in between. The story began when our clients, a couple newly moved to New England from California, stopped into our BauTeam showroom. They were seeking not just a kitchen, but a space that would reflect their love of modern aesthetics, clean, minimal, and intentional. They envisioned a home where quality and technology blend seamlessly, where every detail supports ease and flow. Together, with only a couple of thoughtful meetings, we shaped a design that fully satisfied the client's requests. All the details came together. We proposed extending the perimeter wall to maximize storage and create a greater sense of scale. The clunky stainless steel appliances were replaced with fully integrated models, allowing for uninterrupted lines of handless white cabinetry, beautifully accented by integrated LED profiles. This design brings a sense of calm and peace. A bridge of wall cabinetry frames the striking peat cooking gas cooktop, one of the most minimalistic and aesthetically refined appliances available. The island serves as a bold accent, finishing our resilient light grain surface. At its center is a generously sized sink positioned for balanced symmetry and thoughtfully staggered from the cooktop on the opposite side. This arrangement ensures effortless flow between prepping and cooking. With professional and experienced GC team, this kitchen has been brought to life. And for over a year now, they have embraced life in this space, finding daily joy in its comfort and beauty, while also receiving the admiration of friends who gather here. What began as a kitchen has grown into something more, the heartbeat and rhythm of their home. And the story continues. 2 years after original kitchen purchase, we've just completed the design of their living room, a natural extension and elevation of what was begun. This is what inspires us to design not just spaces, but experiences that unfold and grow with life. Once the living room is transformed, we will make sure to have an update for you. So stay tuned and for more inspirational stories.